So we have another question from GATE 2021 from subject thermodynamics. A binary liquid mixture consists of two species 1 and 2. Let gamma and X represents activity coefficient and the mole fraction of the species respectively. Right? Using a molar excess Gibbs free energy model, ln gamma 1 versus x1 and ln gamma 2 versus x1 are plotted. Please see this. This is ln gamma 1 versus x1 and ln gamma 2 versus x1 we are plotting, right? At tangent drawn to the ln gamma 1 versus x1 curve at a mole fraction of x1 barabar is equal to 0.2 has a slope minus 1.728. The slope of the tangent drawn to the ln gamma 2 versus x1. We need to calculate the tangent curve at the same mole fraction means mole fraction is x1 is equal to 0.2. So let's start with the solution. So we have what we need to calculate. We need to calculate d ln gamma 2 upon dx1, right? So from Gibbs-Duham's equation is given as x1 d ln gamma 1 upon dx1 is equal to x2 d ln gamma 2 upon dx2, right? If they ask to calculate the tangent in between ln gamma 2 versus x2, then we just need to calculate d ln gamma 2 upon dx2, but we need to calculate d ln gamma 2 upon dx1. So what we will do, we will replace x2 from x1, right? We know that x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. For a binary system, mole fraction is 1. x1 plus x2 is equal to 1. So x1 plus x2 is equal to 1, then x2 is equal to 1 minus x1. In differential form we can write dx2 is equal to d into 1 minus x1. So dx2 is equal to minus dx1, right? So we will put this here. X1 is equal to d ln gamma 1 upon dx1 is equal to minus x2 d ln gamma 2 upon dx1, right? We have given value is d ln gamma 1 upon dx1. We have given this data at x1 is equal to 0.2. It is representing at x1 is equal to 0.2, that is equal to minus 1.728. So we have this equation, so we will put the data here. Now putting the values, 0.2 into minus 1.728 is equal to minus 0.8 into d ln gamma 2 upon dx1. So after solving this, we get d ln gamma 2 upon dx1 is equal to 0.432. See, one more thing, if this was asked that d ln gamma 2 upon dx2, then it will come up with negative sign, right? Since d ln if it is d ln gamma 2 upon dx2, then it will be positive sign here and it will be same as another, and the slope will be negative, right? So in future it can be asked in this form d ln gamma 2, means they can ask d ln gamma 2 upon dx2 also. So thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.